Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we are going to be doing kind of the same method that we did in my prior video on Tuesday, but the design is going to be a little bit different. So if it looks a little familiar, that's the reason. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm using my square soft gel full nail covers for this video. You guys love this shape. It is available for purchase in my Etsy shop and it is my best seller. It's super versatile if you need short nails or if you like just that little bit of extra length. These are perfect for you. I definitely recommend giving them a try if you've never tried full nail covers in general ever, because they make the whole nail process so much easier. And it's super easy and super beginner friendly. But yeah, I'm just going in and sizing them out to my nails. My nail covers come in 12 different sizes, so you're definitely sure to find nail covers that fit your nail shape. If you happen to come across one that's either too big or too small, just opt for the bigger one and size it down with a Emery board. Same as last time, we're using Polygel for this video. Model 1's Light Apricot, hands down my absolute favorite brand for Polygel. Super easy to use, and for our slip solution we're going to use alcohol. I did have a few people ask me what slip solution is, and people call it slip solution because it's an actual solution that you can purchase, and sometimes if you get a polygel kit it comes with it, but it just helps you move around your polygel, and it kind of just helps it become flexible so you can adapt it to whatever nail shape or whatever. So that's what that is. You can use alcohol like I'm using here in the video if you don't have a slip solution that came with a polygel kit, or if you don't have any on hand. And honestly, I prefer alcohol anyway because it just works way better for me. But yeah, I'm just going in, and it's cheaper too. But anyway, I'm just going in, applying a pea size amount to my full nail cover and fully covering my nail wall to wall. So you guys have seen me do this 1,000,001 times, and honestly it's just easier to watch than for me to try to explain. But I'll just say a side note, you want to make sure when you're applying this and you adhere it to your nail, you always want to make sure you flip it and flatten out the underside of your nail, because that can definitely get bulky, and you just want to make sure you do that before curing, because after curing it's just going to be a beast to try and shave down. And if you get any polygel around the cuticle areas, make sure you remove that before curing. And lastly, you always want to make sure you do your thumbs separately. It's very important to do your thumbs separately. It needs that extra love and attention, because if you put all 5 fingers in at once, it's just not going to cure properly. But that's about it. Polygel is really easy to use. You get the hang of it after maybe 1 to 2 tries. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. So after you finish applying all of your nails, you want to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe down that sticky layer before you begin doing your design. I'm going to go in with an Emery board. This is an 80/80 grit Emery board. If you've never tried one, try it out. You can purchase these off of Amazon. Links to everything is down below. They make the shaping process even easier. Full nail covers already make it easy for you because they are pre-shaped. And the Emery board in 80/80 grit is just perfection. It makes it so fast and easy. If you have problems shaping like I do, so for this design, we're going to be using this rubber stamp and a black polish. The black polish is by Beetles. Don't recommend it. It's just the only one that I have on hand. You want to get a black polish. You want a black polish that's super pigmented, and honestly, this just isn't the one for me. But this rubber stamper is purchased off of Shein. I absolutely love it. It makes doing French nails, especially on short nails like this, so easy. If you want to go for like a rounded or like a deep smile line, you can achieve that with this. For this video, I'm doing just a straight line at the top, so it's really easy. You literally just stamp it on there. As I said, I don't recommend this nail polish in black, the Beetles brand, because I did have to go in twice and double coat it because I wanted the color to be super rich. With a good high quality black polish, you won't have to do that. So just go in with a really good high quality black polish, and look how quick and easy it was for me to do all 5 fingers. Definitely need this product in your collection. If you do nails and you love French, you definitely want to go ahead and invest in some type of rubber stamper. And we're going to be adding a double, this is kind of like a double line French design, I guess you could call it. These stickers are purchased off of Amazon as well, and as you can see, I'm just going in with some tweezers and peeling them off and just popping them right on my nails. Super easy, nothing to it, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me. Oh, here comes Archie. If you guys don't know Archie, that's my dog. He is a 6-pound cavapoo. You can do it, Archie. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Can you speak? Speak. Oh, he said hi. Alright, so after you finish that, you're gonna go in with a top coat. This is the Model Ones. What is this, a Model Ones video? Anyway, yeah, you're gonna go with the Model Ones or whatever top coat you have. I personally love the Model Ones top coat. This is their gel top coat, not their no wipe top coat. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. And the last and final step, cuticle oil. This is my cuticle oil. It was available for purchase in my Etsy shop. It's currently sold out and not coming back in stock until probably the fall. Here is the final nail look. It's a super pretty design, super elegant, super classy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.